Set up ShootProof watermarks to prevent screenshots or to include branding on your images. When clients purchase prints or digital files, these watermarks are removed automatically. To customize your watermark, go to the Galleries tab and click Watermarks. Check this box to apply the default watermark to all new photo uploads. Your ShootProof account starts with a default text watermark using the name of your brand. Watermarks added through ShootProof can be text or image-based. Text watermarks can be black or white. You can edit the text, placement, font, and opacity of your text watermarks. Image watermarks should be a PNG file with a transparent background. Click Choose PNG File to upload an image. Click Save to preview the image. Now you can edit the placement, size, and opacity of your image watermark. Make it harder for AI watermark removal tools to remove your watermark by checking the box here. This feature adds visual noise to your watermark, making it harder for the AI tools to identify what to remove. Now that you've customized your watermark, apply it to a gallery. In the Gallery panel, click More Actions, select Refresh Watermark, and choose from the list of watermarks you've created. If you have questions about this or anything else ShootProof, reach out to us at support@shootproof.com.